Hey guys, what's up? So we have come up with this complete WordPress masterclass for you. Guys, in this course, we are going to teach you how to create a complete WordPress site from scratch. We will teach you the beginner level basic concepts of WordPress, and then we will move to intermediate to advanced concepts of WordPress. And by the end of this course, you will be able to create a professional looking WordPress website. So let's go through the course outline first. We will start with the basic introduction of WordPress, and then we will understand what is the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Then we will move on to the WordPress prerequisites. What are the minimum requirements to install WordPress, and what is the basic level of knowledge that you need to install WordPress and make a website on it. Then we will see a detailed process on how to install WordPress on your local computer. Then we will explore the WordPress dashboard. We will see what is WordPress media library. Then we will see how to use this new Gutenberg editor. We will go through the basic WordPress settings like journal settings, reading settings, writing settings, etc. We will also see what are WordPress themes. We will discuss about plugins, then wizards, pages, what are WordPress pages, what are WordPress posts, what is the difference between page and post in WordPress. We will understand about categories, tags, when to use categories and when to use tags. Then we will see how to create home page in WordPress. We will also see how to create contact us pages and about us pages. We will understand a complete navigation system, how to create top menus, side menus, bottom menus, footer menus, and above all, we will see how to create a complete working website, a website which is a professional looking website. Apart from this, we will also see how to do SEO and implement other advanced concepts in WordPress. So guys, this is about the course outline. So see you in next video.